How to allow or deny apps from accessing your camera on Android phones. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the settings application on your device, and as you do that, scroll down and then tap on privacy protection over here. As you tap on privacy protection, here you can see all these options under sensitive actions. So tap on all permissions over here. As you tap on all permissions, scroll down and tap on camera option. Now as you tap on camera, you'll be able to see that no apps are allowed for allowing all the time. So you can just tap on the camera and you can just give that access over here. So as you do that, you'll be able to give that access to camera to allow it from accessing on your Android phone. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.